The growth, the greenery.
This is the first time we've ever had them to flower.
The activity in the soil, it's just been amazing, and everything's taking off.
And look at the size of these squash leaves.
My silver beet, everything.
This lettuce is not in the Supersoil, but this one is.
The health and vigour of the plants express to me that there's healthy soil going on here.
I can see a remarkable difference, just the size and how they look.
We also had a huge amount of cucumbers, aubergines, peppers.
Everything's looking fantastic, really happy.
I sprayed the Supersoil on that side, not on that side.
This is a game changer for us.
Absolutely blowing this away.
Supersoil's been absolutely vital.
The difference that I've seen in my garden here in just a few weeks is incredible.